Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you something that we haven't seen in quite a while. It's the sun. We have had a lot of rain the past few days, and it's finally starting to shape up to be a nice end of the week. I've got a little project. I need to take and move the baby chickens out there with the rest of them. We hatched out, I think I started off with 11 with the first group, and I'm down to 8 with those. And then with this new group of chickens, I think I've ended up with 19 out of 24, so pretty good hatch out of it. And then I have 18, I think it's 18 eggs of turkey eggs that is sitting right now. I got those from Bo Moorhead at Moorhead Homestead, and he hasn't had a whole lot of luck hatching them out this year. I don't know what the deal is on it, but he wanted me to try these out and see if I can do any better. He said he's got a hen that she's sitting on some eggs right now, and when it comes down to it, might just let nature take place and see if she can hatch them on her own. Might be able to do a lot better job than we can. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to move the baby chicks over there and get them in with the rest of them.
Are we done?
No, we gotta take it out here.
Oh, Dad, but with that water, how am I gonna cross?
We gotta get her across.
How? Okay. Oh. I almost. Ow, ow, ow. Pause. Okay.
Alright, now we gotta get these chickens. We're gonna put them in here. Whew. They need cleaned out. These ones are messy.
Ooh, that smells good.
I know.
Come on, Phil, grab one.
Ow! Okay, stop.
Just grab it. Just grab the top of them.
I'm trying.
Because I don't want to have to go chasing after a chicken.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
You've gotten one out.
Okay. They're like crazy.
Another one? Yeah. Oh.
You guys see their new friends?
Thank you, Hannah.
Oh, you feed all of you, Louie?
No.
Your head back. 18 of them.
Oh, there's Herbert. Oh, dude. Yeah, go eat that. Yeah, go eat that. What are you doing?
Hi, Jody, buddy. Hi, Jody, buddy.
Ollie, stop.
Philip, you give me a bucket full of that feed in the chicken in the shop. Come here, Ollie. You want to go check them out? Come on. Come on in here. You want to go check them out? So there's the baby chicks. Might be a little bit early. I'm not sure. But it was getting pretty crowded in there and pretty nasty in the shop. So it's going to be some nice weather coming up. So they might be a little more excited about being outside. There's the other ones. They'll show them how it works. Probably all roosters what I got. Surely I got some hens in there. But out of them. Okay. So I read some of your comments on the last video, and you all suggested what Adler does, and just put a tree limb in there for the chickens to roost on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got me this dead standing tree, small sapling, and need it 80.5 inches long. Philip, won't you come here? Let me see here. I need to square that off. Just a second. I'm gonna square that off. Hold this down here, Philip. All right, so that saved me about 20 bucks from Lowe's right there. I don't know. I think it's an elm because this sucker is hard to.
Or it's still alive.
No, it's dead. That'll work right there. It's gonna be real nice. The chicken's gonna love this. All right, Philip, so I'm gonna have you hold this, once you get inside there, inside the chicken pen.
Okay. Oh, slippery! My shoes are wet. What do I do?
So, put it right about there. Just hold it right there.
Oh,
Okay?
right there?
Yep, hold it hard, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hold that right there, Philip. You right about here?
Well, I can see you.
See it coming through?
Yes, I see it. Oh.
Now you go up or low?
Can you go up?
How much?
Right there. No. Like a little bit. Like I tell you. Let's go.
Like right here?
No.
Right here?
Like right.
Right there?
Yes.
Well, here. Do it right here in this hole. Put it right there. You see it?
Yes.
Okay, put it right there where that is at and hold
Okay.
it tight.
Yeah. You're good.
gonna stay?
Yep. Let me see. Yep.
Okay, so we got the roosting pole set in there. Thank you for the ideas. I did not even think about that. So I was trying to think, well, I need to get me a long dowel rod or something like that. Well, that saved me some money. All right, come on through, Philip. All right, so hopefully this chick's like their new home. I imagine probably a little bit better than my shop. I know my shop was ready to get rid of them because it was stinking in there. So, thanks again for the idea. If you guys ever see anything that, you know, it'd be a good thing if you did it this way. Hey, I'm all ears. And I like suggestions. Twins, they just playing around in the feed bin. Hey guys, what are y'all doing in there? Standing in your dinner plate. Olivia has been training Ollie to sit. What are you training them with? What's the secret? Animal crackers. Well, Margret is wanting training too. See if, all right, see if you can train Margret. What's the trick? See if you can get her to stand up.
Oh,
on her hind legs. Stand up. Let's see if you can get her to dance.
Ollie. Hey, look. She can do it. I saw her before. She doesn't want to do it. She's like, oh, Ollie! Stop. You don't want to do. Hey, sit. Ollie,
oh, there he goes. You sit.
Well, at least
shake,
you sit.
shake.
Shake. That's kind of hard.
There you go. Training sheepdog.
Oh my gosh. You need one now. Ah! Looking at me.
Well, Margret knows where the feed sack's at. Alright, we'll find something else going on. Oh, it seems like we spend a lot of time out here in the goat pasture. Hopefully you guys don't get tired of it. We don't. We like it out here. It's been fun. This is first, well, I got these, I started off with 4 goats about this time last year. And it's the first time I ever had any goats. We had a few lambs growing up, show lambs, but first time with goats. It's been fun. They can kind of test my patience sometimes, but those mainly with the fencing. Once you get your fence somewhat right, it's a lot better ordeal. That's all right, Margret. Good shooter.
If I missed that, oh.
All right, see some dribbling moves. What do you got?
No.
Let's see some drills.
Ooh.
Show me what you got. Some little drills that Olivia taught you. Behind the back. Yeah, between the legs. And boom. They all want to shoot the 3 ball. Well, I spoke too soon. It clouded back up and it's raining again. Almost feels like we live in Seattle, but it's all right. We'll be sure wanting this this rain whenever July and August hits and gets dry. So just enjoy the rain and roll on. Got dinner time, so I'm gonna head on back in the house. Appreciate you guys watching here on Stoked Living, and get a chance, might go there and check a few more of my videos out. Some of my favorites is the one with old Cord, he's good, and that old cow video. Yeah, that was an interesting one, so go check it out. It was a lot of fun. So I'll be getting off here and getting some grub. It's good being on here again with you guys, and hope everything is going well in your world. So God bless you, be safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.